Bulovinaka once again, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Alright, guys. Today is a very special day. Today we are going to a neighborhood party in Münster. So I'll be performing there. Yeah. With my manager.
Yes, this boy is in a very good mood. He will
yes, Fiji just defeated England. First time ever in the history of Fiji rugby.
So he will sing for his country today.
Today I will dedicate a song to the boys.
His nation.
Let's go! Guys, we are driving through Varendorf now. Yeah, guys, big binakabakalebu to the Fiji national team. They just defeated England.
Yes, a big binakabakalebu from the Klassen family.
From the Selemite
to
family.
The Fiji rugby team. We are super proud.
We are super happy. We are super happy. Thank you for the win. Thank you. Today. Hey, slow down.
We will write it in our calendar.
Yeah. Today. I think, yeah. After 8 o'clock is my time for singing. And straight after that, like 45 minutes, I have to play. Straight after that, we are coming back home. We're gonna celebrate the win today. We're gonna celebrate. Mix one basin of kava. More there. And big shout out to nephew Celestino Ravutomanda for being chosen as the man of the match. Boy, what a great performance. He set up a try. No, two tries. Yeah, he's set up 2 tries. The third one was a forward pass, so unfortunately. But Wananavu Bras, Wananavu San, so we are happy and come and support you in France when you will play against Australia. So we are ready to come and cheer for you. Alright, so now we've just left Varendorf on our way to Münster. So that's the train from Münster, guys, going to Varendorf, and then Dylan, and then Klaarhaus, Bredewidenbroek, and Bielefeld. Alright, guys, this is one of my new single. We'll be releasing this single on the 9th of September. Okay guys, this song is a tribute to Save Musunroka, one of our friend from the sugar city of Lautoka in Fiji. So this is a tribute to Save. Guys, last night we met at home celebrating my birthday, so there were many Fijians who were there, and I released this song to them, like official release here. And they all love the song. And then straight after we finished cover, I uploaded the song into the digital stores. So on September 9, you can check out the song on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Apple Music, Spotify. Hope you guys love the song. What can you say about the song, my love?
I cannot understand anything, but the melody is nice, the voice is the best ever, and yeah, just on the 9th of September you can also listen to that digital. Just do it, you won't regret it.
Download it. Download the song.
Download it.
Okay guys, we are in Münster now, so just another 2 kilometers, then we'll arrive to our destination.
In the most
Beautiful weather and the most what?
in the most dangerous area in Münster, Kinderhaus. Who knows Münster? Who will also know Kinderhaus? So our Münster friends, they already told us.
Yeah, that's why they are making
take care of your belongings, because Kinderhaus is very dangerous.
that's why guys, they are putting up neighborhood parties, so that, you know, like all the neighbors can come together and I don't know, like just to get to know your neighbors. Yeah, that's why they're putting up a neighborhood party.
We're going to Ibiza. Mein Name ist Alex Jakob. Euch einen schönen Samstagabend.
Radio WAF.
BMW.
Welcome aboard Benga Airways. After takeoff, we'll pump up the sound system because we're going to Ibiza. Thank you for flying Benga Airways.
Alright guys, we are here in the neighborhood. So here you could see the choni. Yeah, that's why they are just saying it's a dangerous neighborhood. Police are everywhere. We are here guys. So I'll just try to offload everything. And yeah, I'll try to give the camera to Connie so that she can shoot some singing, which I'll be doing. All right. Tools is here. My tools are here. You can sit down there. I have to look for my bedroom. So they started the singing now, guys. So this lady is also one of the singers. Okay, so Connie is there, going sitting with the crowd, going to sit with the crowd.
It's the house telling you close your eyes. Some days I don't know if I am wrong or right. Your mind is playing tricks on your mind.
Gemeinschaft leben und in Gemeinschaft leben, und insofern sind solche Impulse total wertvoll. Also die Foodsharing-Geschichte mit Sebastian und Katrin, die da ins Leben gerufen wurde, und jetzt eben auch diese Urban Gardening-Geschichte. Das ist mega spannend. Man muss sich natürlich ein bisschen darum kümmern. Das ist dann eben nicht alleine in den vier Wänden sitzen und Fernsehen glotzen. And the next artist I will introduce in English. He's from the Fiji Islands. His name is Patti. He's just closing into the stage. Welcome, Mr. Patti. U2, so ein bisschen dies und das. Dann denke ich mir so, okay, der könnte es ja sein. Sprich den mal an, und dann spricht er nur Englisch, und dann sprechen wir miteinander, und dann kommt seine Frau um die Ecke, und naja, so hat Patti zu uns gefunden. Das heißt, ein Spontan-Casting in der Innenstadt. Aber der Mann hat eine echt ziemlich coole Stimme, spielt eine ziemlich coole Gitarre. Und ich glaube, wir können uns freuen über Lieder, bei denen wir allen so ein bisschen mitsingen können auch. Bin mal gespannt. Ich höre jetzt auch auf, das zu überbrücken, weil mir fällt nichts mehr ein.
Alright, mein Deutsch ist nicht so gut. Ich bin Patti, ich komme von den Fiji-Insel. In Fiji, meiner Muttersprache, when we say hello, we say Bula. Bula. Okay, das Lied I will play. It's the first song you will hear when you arrive in Fiji. It's the Bula song. So after the song, I will say Bula. you all have to shout out Bula, big Bula. No Bula, fatigue, I'm going home. Just one song. All right. Bula Malaya Kelitale, Daura Borwera Yalogaza, Osana Wai Mebatasanas. Nebula Teresar Nanu Nebete Vanualai Nona se sangan me corona que mai. Ready for the Bula? Tumbo Koviti Nerono Enai Nebura Bura Malea Nekilai Enda samai veiku netale Menodat na lagi-lagi Enda sarindi hatiani Yagai bitiru anarana di bulan malaya kelititale Bula! Nice! When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking the words of wisdom, let it be. Sending in my heart, Lord God, standing right in front of me, speaking the
Alles gut, einfach durchlaufen.
let it be. Come on, everybody. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world again, there will be an answer. Let it be. Although they may be parted, there is still a chance that they would see. There will be an answer. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. When the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow. Let it be. And awaken to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Let it be. don't worry about a thing. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. Come on, everybody! Sing, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. I rise up this morning, smiling with the rising sun. Yeah, 3 little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet song. Whoa, whoa, melody pure true. Singing, this is my message to you. Oh, oh, oh. About a thing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I rise up this morning, smiling with the rising sun. Yeah, 3 little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet song. Whoa, whoa, melody pure true. Singing, this is my message to you. Almost West Virginia, who each mountain sharing the river. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Come on, country road, take me home to the place. Take me home down the country road. Oh, my memories, there I live. My lady streamed into the water. That's it. But I still never found what I'm looking for. But I still never found what I'm looking for. I have run, I have run, I have run. Easy walk, easy walk, holy to be with you. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. I had been honey lane, found that I
Felt it, oh, oh, 'cause I fell for your soul.
Yeah, guys, I just finished my singing, so now it's the next girl singing. So guys, everyone who's performing tonight, all from the streets, like we all do street music together.
Between the birch trees and the street signs, people be asking who the tiger belongs to.
Yeah, so now I was just told that they want to book me for next year.
You're the reason I
for their 10th anniversary, but a little bit more bigger than this. And also guys, I think in the next 20 minutes, like, everyone will come together and will sing a song. And then we'll be heading home. Hope you guys enjoyed the concert.
In my dreams, and parts me stay.
So now guys, she's singing her last song, and after this we'll all do a collaboration before we finished from here.
Dust in the air, cars on the street, rush hour, rain or shine. But that's okay, I got used to all that and fell in love with this city of mine. In that high street,
Lovely voice.
in my dream,
Super lovely voice.
parts me stay
Soft.
forward, and that's what makes it hard to leave. And home is where the heart is, and I live far from it here. It'll stay when I'm gone. There's
So this is Lia. You can follow her on
Instagram.
Instagram.
This place is where I learned that from.
It's like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Come on, everybody. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. I will put my guns on the ground, 'cause I can't shoot them anymore. The cold black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Come on everybody, louder! Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I can't hear you. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Roland, take it away. Okay, sing with me. Woo. chorus. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking, 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 oh yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yes, I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door.
Ich hatte alle schon Eis, ich war schon bei Ja, so eine schöne Idee. Ja. Voll Glück mit dem Wetter.
Was ist denn?
Ja.
Knocking on heaven's door.
I wish that I could fly into the sky so very high, just like a dragonfly. I fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Let's fly into the sun, let's spirit fly, but we are one, just for a little fun. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Come back no more. Don't you come back no more, no more.
peace of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you never be all the things that you see, only throw it away. Somebody start a revolution from my bed. Cause she said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, cause summertime's in the bloom. Step up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. Cause you ain't never gonna burn my heart out. Come on everybody! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, Sally can wait. She knows it's too late, that she's walking on by. My soul flies away. Don't look back in anger. I heard you say. Speaking the words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they would see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Come on, everybody. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Come on, Roland, take it away. Is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. And I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking the words of wisdom. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking the words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. One more time. Let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Oh, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Speaking Jesus, let it be.
Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, spring became the summer, couldn't believe you come along. Hey, touching him, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline, oh, 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 good times never felt so good, so good, so good, so good, but I'm feeling fine. Oh, 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 to believe they never would. Whoa. Look at the night, doesn't feel so lonely. We fill it up with only two. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. But when I heard it runs off my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? Whoa, touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Come on, everybody, look out! Oh, sweet Caroline, oh, 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 good times never feel so good, so good, so good, so good, but I'm feeling fine. Pop, 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 to believe they never would. Whoa. One more time. Oh, sweet Caroline, oh, 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 good times never feel so good, so good, so good, but I'm feeling fine. Pop, 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 to believe they never would. Whoa, sweet Caroline.
Alright guys, we just finished with the gig, so now we are heading back home. Connie, would you like to say something?
Great night, good singing,
Yeah.
but now I'm feeling cold and tired.
Yeah, we are cold.
But all good, a good end.
Yeah, thank you to the Andreas, the organizers,
Yes.
and the neighborhood. It's so amazing to see people from this dangerous neighborhood come together and you know, and get to know each other, share a piece of meat and bottle of beer. That's so amazing. I think if we could do a lot of things like this into our own neighborhood where we live, so that we get to know our neighbors very well. And shout out to my two musicians who are also performing with me on the stage, Lia and Karina, shout out. Thank you so much. You two have a super wonderful voice. Keep it up. I would love to check you guys out on Instagram and YouTube maybe. We'll try to follow you guys. And till we meet again, Nisa Mode. We are heading back home now from Münster to you.
Through the Tangi Movie Drive back home to Sassenberg.
Okay, Nisa Mode. God bless. Kalongata. Go Fiji, go! Binabale mo biti na wini, binabale mo na ganga. Mode.